Assalamu alaikum. Start by explaining that Tahajjud is a special night prayer, best performed in the last third of the night, after Isha and before Fajr. 1. Preparation. Make ruju, ablution, set your intention, niyyah, sincerely for Allah. Find a quiet, peaceful place. 2. Timing. You can pray anytime after Isha until Fajr, but the last third of the night is most rewarding. To calculate, divide the time between Maghrib and Fajr into 3 parts. The final part is the best time for Tahajjud. 3. How to pray. Pray at least 2 rakats, can do more, up to 12. Each rakat, start with Tapper, Allahu Akbar, recite Surat al-Fatiha, then any other surah. Perform Ruk, Sujud, and complete as usual. End with Tashahhud and Salam. 4. After Tahajjud, make heartfelt dua. This is a time when prayers are most likely accepted. You can finish with witr prayer as the last prayer of the night. 5. Benefits. Brings you closer to Allah, purifies the heart, and is a time of peace and forgiveness.